In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Google Drive files into Notion using Chrome. This will allow you to access, view, and even edit your documents straight from Notion, all without having to switch between different apps. It's quite a nifty trick that can really enhance your productivity by consolidating your workspaces. Let's get started by opening Notion in your Chrome browser. For those of you who might be new to Notion, it's a fantastic tool for organizing and managing your work, personal projects, and a whole lot more. Once you have Notion open, navigate to the page where you'd like to embed your Google Drive files. Now, we'll add a new block by clicking the little plus sign, which you'll find to the left of your page as you hover with your mouse. This opens up a menu with numerous options, but for our purposes, go ahead and select Embed. Now that you have your embed block ready, it's time to paste in your Google Drive link. To do this, simply copy the link to the Google Drive file or folder that you want to embed. Head back to Notion and in the field provided, paste the link. It's as simple as that. You'll see it appear on your Notion page, providing a handy gateway to your Drive content. Next, it's crucial to adjust the permissions in your Google Drive to ensure the correct access rights. Depending on your situation, you might want others to view or edit the files you've embedded, or perhaps you need them to stay private. Head over to Google Drive and find the file or folder you've linked. Right-click on it, choose Share, and then adjust the settings to suit your preference. If you wish others to view it, you might set it to anyone with the link can view or adjust to anyone with the link can edit for full collaboration. For those looking to take things a step further, you might consider using third-party apps like automate.io. These integrations can offer advanced sync options between Notion and other platforms like Google Drive, providing a more dynamic and interconnected workflow. Look into their features and see what might fit best for your needs. With everything set up, you can now view and edit your files directly from Notion. By clicking on the embedded links, you'll have the opportunity to open up your documents, make changes, or review content without ever having to leave your Notion page. This integration is fantastic for streamlining your workflow, saving you time, and keeping things organized all within the same space. So, there you have it. With just a few easy steps, you can now harness the power of Notion and Google Drive combined, leveraging them for maximum productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!